Hey guys, welcome back to Handmade at Home. I'm Danielle. I have a big stack of terra cotta pots in my backyard, and lately I've been feeling like I should do something with them because why not? I've got the time. My vision is to take a few of my smaller pots and put a modern coordinating spin on them. I think these will be perfect for a little herb garden in my window. All you're really going to need to make this project are a few old pots, painter's tape, and paint. That's it. Let's get started. For my first design, I'm just going to cut off little strips of painter's tape about 1/4 of an inch and place them randomly around the pot. The idea here is that it will almost look like a confetti design. Okay, I am happy with the way that looks. Now all that's left is to paint. I'm gonna go with white for this one. Okay, I think that's finished. Now just let dry. This pot looks nice and dry. Let's pull off the tape. And you really do want to make sure that your paint is completely dry for the best results. I'm very happy with the way this turned out, and I really love this design. Let's try another. For the second design, I'm going to do an off-centered stripe around the pot. So just start at the top on one end and slowly work it around until the tape meets back in the middle. Go back through and make sure that your tape is on nice and smooth for clean lines. Now we're ready to paint. For this pot, I'll be painting with black. The paint looks dry, now let's pull off the tape. Oh, this looks so good and really modern and clean. Okay, for our final pot, I want to give it kind of a minimal dot look. I'm going to tape off a little over an inch at the top. That way I can paint about 3/4 of the way up, and then the top inch or so will remain that nice terracotta color. For the base of this pot, I'm going to paint it white. All right, looks good. Now I'm gonna let that dry completely before adding the dots. Let's add the dot design. Just take a fine tip paintbrush and then lightly apply black paint to the pot. Again, this doesn't have to look perfect. These are handmade and that's part of the charm. I'm happy with the way the dots look, so I'm gonna let this dry. All right, time for the big reveal. I think these came out so great. They really are nice, modern, and minimal, just like I was going for. For a finishing touch, I recommend adding a clear sealant. This will make the pots water resistant. Once the sealant is dry, these will be ready for herbs. I think I'm going to go with rosemary, basil, and cilantro. We seem to reach for those the most in our kitchen. Alright guys, thanks for hanging out with me again in my kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this painted terracotta pot video. I'm gonna go find a spot for my new pots. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye!